Hey guys, what's happening? How to use a discount code on Stockx. Go ahead and open up your browser. Okay? And let's have an example. This is my code. So I'm gonna copy it, or my discount code, excuse me. And as you can see, the green the green thing means that I copied that code. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Stockx and I'm gonna select whatever product that I want. Okay, it could be anything. So let's have an example, this Jordan 12 retro flu. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit buy or bid. You're gonna wait for a few moments, obviously, and add your size, right? Let's say this is my size. Before you move on, right, and head next to the checkout, scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see discount code right here. Go ahead and hit add, the green highlighted word, okay? And then you're gonna add the code that we just copied before, and you're gonna hit apply and then move to the checkout, okay? So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.